Good morning, students. I am sad that we are not in class today, but we are still going to have a lesson. Today, our lesson is what is a complete sentence? So, when you write, you want to make sure you are writing complete sentences. Why is it important to write complete sentences? It is important to write complete sentences so you are sharing all of your thoughts and that the reader of your writing can understand what you are trying to say. What does a complete sentence look like? So here's an example. The girl went to the store to buy bread. So why is that a complete sentence? Well, let's look. This is a complete sentence because it begins with a capital letter right here. It ends with punctuation right here. And remember, punctuation can be a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. It tells who or what the sentence is about. Who went to the store to buy bread? Girl did. It tells what the person or thing is doing. What did the girl do? She went. And it is a whole thought. The reader is not left with questions. The girl went to the store to buy bread. If all it said was the girl, I wouldn't know what the girl did. And if all it says it was went to the store to buy bread, I wouldn't know who or what did that. How do you know if a sentence is a complete sentence? Well, like we said on the last slide, if it begins with a capital letter, it ends with punctuation, it tells who or what the sentence is about, and it tells what the person or thing is doing, and it is a whole thought that does not leave the reader with questions, then it is a complete sentence. You have to have all of these identifiers, all of these requirements, capital letter, punctuation at the end, who or what the sentence is about, and what the person or thing is doing, and it being a whole thought. All of those have to be there in order to make a complete sentence. So would this be a complete sentence? Juan completed 18 Alex topics today. Yes, that would be a complete sentence because it begins with a capital, ends with punctuation, tells who or what the sentence is about. Who completed 18 Alex topics today? Juan. And it also tells what the person or thing did. What did Juan do? He completed and then 18 Alex topics today. Because I am not left with any questions as the reader, this tells me a complete thought. This is a complete sentence. Would this be a complete sentence? The cat chased the mouse throughout the house. Yes, this would also be a complete sentence because it begins with capital, it ends with punctuation, it tells me who the sentence is about, who chased the mouse throughout the house, cat, and it tells me what cat did, cat chased. It is also a complete thought, and it doesn't leave me with any questions as the reader because I know the cat chased the mouse throughout the house. Would this be a complete sentence? Ate pizza for dinner. No, this is not a complete sentence. I know what happened in the sentence. Somebody or something ate pizza for dinner. There is an end mark, but I don't know who did the eating or what did the eating, and there is no capital letter. This is not a complete thought. It leaves me with questions. Who ate the pizza? So this is not a complete sentence. Would this be a complete sentence? Ran to the park to play baseball. No. Again, I know what the person or thing did, ran to the park to play baseball. It ends with punctuation, but I don't know who ran or what ran, and there is no capital letter. It is not a complete thought, and it leaves me with questions because I do not know who did the running or who ran. So remember, when you are writing or looking at sentences, this is how you know if a sentence is complete. It is a complete sentence if it begins with a capital letter, if it ends with punctuation, if it tells who or what the sentence is about, if it tells what the person or thing is doing, and if it is a whole thought. It does not leave your reader with questions. So today you will do some work on trying to decide, are the sentences given complete sentences or are they not complete sentences? And then at the very end of what you'll do today, you will be writing your own complete sentence. I know you will do an amazing job. Best of luck.